to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Another update here. It's been a minute since I shot that last clip, but Eugene about to come pick up the 7.8 Impala. He gonna take to get mini tub. I'm not sure why they mini tubbing it, cause I don't think it's hitting anything. But I know it's hitting right here, cause you can see right here where the tire split. Guess who's eating up right here. But he told me he's gonna pick it up and get it mini tub. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna help him out and take this back seat out, back seat and the side panels there, so he wouldn't have to worry about it. Y'all stay tuned for the mini tub.
Hey, y'all ain't doing nothing, y'all pull up on me.
Okay, most definitely.
No bills or nothing.
Shit.
Yeah.
Y'all come on up there, man.
I drink beer, I ain't nothing.
Well, y'all let me know one weekend y'all out here on the weekend or something like a Saturday or Sunday. Shit, I'll pull up on y'all.
Okay then.
You know.
Okay then.
Always welcome my place, man.
All right, that's what's up, man. Shit, all right, bet.
All right.
Boy, shit, I need some.
Yeah. We need some days off anyway. You know, we can't work.
Hell on way from
Yeah, you
here.
can't work that.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's what I be trying to tell them.
You trying to do 7 days, don't you?
Yeah, I do, for real.
I be
And
doing that too
sometimes you got to catch up.
Yeah, I have to do it too sometimes.
Yeah.
Man, my wife sometimes she'll get on me. Hey, Sunday, won't you sit down somewhere?
You know, you got to put your family time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to get them their time now.
Yeah.
Especially them women.
wife.
Cause
Yeah.
I know mine will run up. She be coming down the road 5:30, 8 times. Blowing my goddamn phone up. What you gonna do? You been at it all day. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, man.
Several months later.
Burning at the rubber. Got the 7.8, it's back. About to start doing the body work on it. Alright. No. Wait. Oh man, you know what you're doing. Man, I was scared for you.
It's a little bit too big in there, but it turned up though now.
Oh yeah, it's sounding good, man. Eugene did all the work on this here. He did the suspension and the LS rock.
That tone up, that motherfucker will start to run better and better too. The more you drive it, the better it is.
Yeah.
It sounds good. I
Oh, yeah.
like them mufflers. I don't like that sound. I don't.
Yeah. What type of mufflers on there?
It's got some damn. What kind of mufflers on here, Prix? They some I think they some I can't remember exactly. Some Euro chamber. They Euro chambers.
Euro chamber.
What is they? Rucci Euro chambers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she sounds good.
We got some flow maps we can go over. We just hadn't changed them out yet. I got them that motherfucker over there. The hood started to come up. I had to let
Oh, yeah. I ain't even shut it all the way down. Yeah. Well, you tuck that curve right there. Wow, like, look at you. Yeah, I like that squat on it. Y'all back on in a minute. Okay, I finally got the 7.8 back. Let me get the key. We're gonna do the body work. See the panoramic, it was already installed, but I gotta do a lot of body work on it because you can see it's dipped in when they heated up the metal. But I'll be able to take care of it though. Let me open this door. But if y'all can recall, I had it before and I took the back seat out because they're gonna do a mini tub. Now you can see the mini tub is done. But it got the decoder digital. Let me see what it cranked the battery was dead. Nah, it's not gonna crank. But I can pop the hood though. They got decoder digital. Harley, Terminator X. We're gonna redo the interior. .28-inch Ruccis, brush rose gold, 6-piston, Wilwood brakes in the front, QA1 suspension. Back we got 4 pistons, QA1 coilovers, no gas tank, QA1 perfect lunch cover. I'm not real sure what size motor. I'm pretty sure it's 6.0. Brand Tula Racing cover. Yeah, we're gonna clean it up. It's going back another flip, but it's gonna be a different color though. But it's still gonna be a flip on it. I gotta do some work on the cuts. Wheel some more metal, clean up the cuts. I like that squat on it. The back as well. Got to clean it up. Let me see if I can pop the trunk. Get the key out. Know what I did with the key? Let me find the key right quick. Okay, I got it in my pocket. You see the tub mini tub. Still gotta put the steering wheel on. Whole truck full of different stuff he done ordered. Got some mats. Some Camaro mats right there. But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna start on the body work probably next week or this week coming up. Once I get Life with the Ikes, he's supposed to be coming to pick up his car this weekend, so I'll be starting on the body work on this one here. So y'all stay tuned. And then I got another project as well. It's the same owner. Y'all haven't seen it yet, but I've been working on it. But y'all stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from